Weak.
Delikado.
34.
Hindi, ano? Assist, rebound. Ay, ano? Points, rebound, assist, steal block.
Steal block.
Start na.
Steal
Start
block
na.
pa pala.
Oh,
16.
16.
3 block.
Okay. Bro, sino ba sunod dyan?
CJ.
Jake. Pasok ba yan?
Ayun ko.
Ilan ba yung ano niya? Rebounds?
Ano, naka 18 to 16 assist.
Oh, sige.
Pero hindi yata.
Points.
34 na.
34,
18 rebound.
18,
6 assist. 16 assist.
16,
4 steal. 0
4.
block.
Okay. Sino pa?
Si Dakulan.
Oh,
43 points.
43,
10 rebound.
10,
14 assist.
14,
60.
6. So, yun
0
lang.
block.
Ha?
0 block.
0, okay.
Cruz. Cruz na 32.
Teka lang. 32,
35 rebound.
35,
7 assist.
7,
5 steal.
5,
3 block.
3. Okay. Okay na yan.
O
Youth.
yan.
Meron pa bang mayroong stats sa youth? Wala na.
Wala na. 4 points na lang ito.
Kina Mark.
Si Mark. Si Mark.
Hindi, okay na. MVP niya yan eh.
Elijah. Ay, dalawang game na si Elijah. O, 36 Elijah points.
6,
15 rebound.
15.
6 assist.
Total yan, total? Meron siyang 20 rebounds yun. Meron siyang 20 rebounds.
Okay lang.
Parang
Baka
may,
Gabriel yun.
hindi, meron siyang 20 rebounds sa laban ng mga youth.
Dito yun. 2 game. 2 game lang siya.
Hindi na isama.
Kasi, kaya mahirap.
Okay lang, sige. Class, iangat na lang natin.
15 rebound. 6 assist.
Oh,
5 steal.
okay.
0 block.
Ganyan lang pala yung man. Sino pa ba dyan?
Hindi, mas okay na pala kung
Sino pa sa kanila? Si Manjo? Wala na?
Manjo.
Wala.
Isang game lang nakalis kay Manjo.
Sige, okay lang.
27.
Ilan?
Wala, hindi naman pasok si Manjo.
Di ba?
Mababa lang.
Okay. Sino pa?
Wala na.
Si Tyree lang? Wala na, no? Basta ibang...
Pwede mo kunin yung season leaders dyan.
Hindi, wala. Ano yun? Average yung kinukuha nila dun eh. Hindi, wala yun.
Dapat pa rin.
Total.
Dapat pala, kinumpit na natin kahapon.
Puro kasi dapat. Kaya lang umasahan sa'yo.
Hindi mo naman kasi sinabi.
Kino, 106.
Kanina ko pa sinabi.
Sa trabaho ko, di ba? Alam mo pumasok, pinagsistats mo nga ako.
Away na tayo lahat dito para may matutunan, di ba?
Oo na, kasalanan ko na nga eh. Ito na nga oh. Ako sino naman na gumagawa? Ako na nga eh. Wala lang ako sinasabi.
106.
Sino to?
106.
106. Wala lang ako sinasabi.
27 rebound.
Oh,
11 assist.
11.
3 steal.
Wala. Ano yung John Jeep na guys? Ay, kasi ako tuloy.
Sinama yung yung game kanina.
Kaya nga.
Kasama yan?
Ay, hindi kasama.
Oo,
Oo
yun
nga.
nga, sinama yun.
Dapat kasi na-compute na namin prior eh.
Oo nga. Ma-minus pa yun.
Oo, di...
Oo, sa post na lang yung ating.
Susunod
Sa post na lang yun. May bibigay pa medal.
Meron. Yan. 1 to 5.
Magkakakilala naman eh.
Kaya ako na.
Oo, wala eh.
Walang gulo ako, MVP.
Wala eh.
Sige na, ako na.
Teka lang. Aning ko lang. Ano tayo? Start tayo.
Championship game. Team Mars versus Team Youth. Championship game.
Dion! 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 Number. Number!
Game na, manigid yung player ko.
Tangin na niyo eh.
Sagan. Oh, school.
Pwede kang masuot ko. Pwede kang masuot ko. Pag nakapantalon ako, doon yung kabalat. Balat ko. Pag nakapantalon ako, doon yung masuot.
Home eh.
Yung pag ano, no? Kala mo, ano ba, no? Ano, ganda pang referee yan. Yun ba?
Pinagpamay-pay na tipos yung ano.
May pay, no?
Lugi. Okay pa to. 78.
Ito yung champion. Hindi naman mag-award ngayon, dahil hindi pala ako yung pipis. Pusta lang nila yan. Bakit daw? Paano nga yung mag-awarding, hindi na ma-award? Ayan na lang yun, yung mga trophy, pero yung MVP. Wala yung ano, finals, ito yung champion. Tangin yun.
Vance, ay, dito.
Ito ba si champion?
Certificate.
Pangpamay-pay na.
Ano yan? Pang-apply rin yan. Ha? Pang-apply.
Tama eh.
Ay, sa resume.
Oh, pwede na.
Magnet.
Jambol na.
Bakit ganda lang ang mga trophy ngayon?
Oo. Tropa rin nila. Hindi nila tropa. Malakas lang.
Hey, let's start the ball game for championship game. Team Youth versus Team Mark.
Ilan ka ba? Ang bilang ko siya. Sa iMessage. Email. Nice one.
Let's go, youth!
Diba may strict ka?
Hey, Jumbo. Team Youth versus Team Mark for championship game. First ball possession. Team Youth.
Wala na.
Jersey number 18. Pasa on the right side. Wing off the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Mark by jersey number 6. Babalang bola. Pasa. Jersey number 7. On the left side wing, off the ring, offensive rebound, follow-up shot denied. Another chance for conversion for Team Mark. Steal, a bad pass, intercepted. Pass break, drives through, stop and pop, no basket. Defensive rebound for Team Mark. Atake ang uno, a pull-up, mid-range jump shot, no basket. Backs out yan for Team Youth all the way coast to coast. Layup connects 2 points. First blood on this game. Pass to jersey number 73. Inward pass of Dawson. Hinaharas na agad ng depensa. Pass of Bialex. Shot lock down to 10. Ooh, nagpambol yun. Traveling violation. Turnover. Started Team Youth. It's number 8. Baba ng bola. Scouting the floor. Pasa. On the left side wing. Off the ring. Offensive rebound pa rin yan for Team Youth. Pass break. Atake 18. An hesitation move. Traveling violation. Jersey number 73, nagbaba ng bola for Team Mark. Scouting the floor, penetrate the shaded area all the way. Looper, no basket. Defensive rebound for Team Youth. Pass break, breakaway tatlo for Team Youth. Layup, wala. Wala pa rin follow-up shot. Another attempt, wala pa rin. A put back. Jersey number 7 connects 2 points. Third attempt. Ngayon, Team Mark. It's 4-0. Official score in favor of Team Youth. On the right side, yung atake sa baseline. Asa. On the left side, wing. In and out. Defensive rebound for Team Youth. Pass breaks sa jersey number 0. Using the glass. Connects 2 points. 6-0. Starting ngayon, Team Mark. Crossover mo ba sa east? Denied. Ang layup. Block. Pass break for Team Youth. It's a 3-2 situation. Paasa sa on the right side. Wing. Connects 3 points. It's 9-0. 7 minutes and 25 in this first period. Inward pass sa Dose. Penetrate Dose and draws a foul. That's number 0. Sideline throw in for Team Mark. Shot lock down to 14. Kasi halos pareho ng kulay yun.
Balikan na lang yan.
Pero jersey number 18 pa rin siya, di ba? Nakakalito yun.
SK pa lang.
Sideline throw in for Team Mark. Jersey number 73. Pasa sa low post, catch and shoot. Basket, alley-hoop pass. Inbound violation. Turnover. Inbound violation. Ay. Turnover for Team Mark. Pinasa sa 12. Inbound pass. Pull-up mid-range jumper. No basket. Defensive rebound for Team Youth. Atake na kaagad 23. Crossover move all the way. And draws a foul. The free throw, first throw.
Number 1 sila yun.
Gago malakas yan.
Wala ang first throw, second throw. 6 minutes and 53 in this first period. No conversion na the free throw area. Backs out yan. 14 Mark, crossover move. Pasa lang, drop pa sa 27. Dinrop pa sa unang binomba. And traveling violation. Substitution. Turnover for Team Youth.
Wala na.
Sideline throw in for Team Youth. Jersey number 18. Inbounding. Team Youth. And jersey number 8. Orchestrating the play. Sa transition of play. Cross-court pass. Jersey number 18. On the left side wing of the ring. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha pa rin ng Team Youth. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock counting down. Off the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Mark. Okay, Team Mark. Pass press 2-on-2 situation. Reverse layup. Ang 13. Basket. Off the glass. Starting jersey number 8. Scouting the floor. Setting up the play for Team Youth. Engaging. Penetrate all the way to the dinrap pass. Naipit sa baseline. Oh, nasa labas ka na. Line violation. Turnover. Pass break on the right side and stepping on the line. Line violation. Turnover. Sideline throw in for Team Youth. Jersey number 8 receiving the ball for Team Youth. Setting inward pass sa big man nila. Penetrate 0 all the way. Layup and connects 2 points. 11-4 in favor of Team Youth. 5 minutes and 30 in this first period. pull-up mid-range jumper. Bounce in. Connects 2 points. 5 minutes and 20. In this first period, jersey number 8 orchestrating the play. Pasa on the left side, wing switch back sa 8. Pambol. Shot lock, counting down. Almost a steal atake, jersey number 0. Sidestep, drop pass lang sa si 8 and draws a foul.
Kanino ka? Kanino ka?
Jake Chachi.
Okay, sub. Uy, ano yun yung si ano ah? Uy, depensa kayo ah.
Basket count, first throw, basket count, first throw. Second throw.
Depensa kayo ah.
5 minutes and 2 in this first period.
Huwag nyo rin palusin.
1 out of 2. 5 minutes remaining time in this first period. Atake 13 for Team Mark. Atake decimal 6. Atake baseline, denied. Pass break, intercepted, a bad pass. Atake 13, crossover move. Drop pass lang yan. And draws a foul.
Sub.
Substitution.
Gab, depensa.
Market ang free throw. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. 1 out of 2. Round 7 in favor of Team Youth. Pasa on the right side wing, switch back sa 5. Naharas kagad, switch back on the right side wing, transition play, atake 0, sidestep, layup, basket count, 2 points. Drives through all the way to the hoop.
Gab, si Man. Wide.
Inward pass sa 12, switch back 73. On the left side wing of the ring, defensive rebound for Team Youth. Jersey number 0 controls the board. Pasa, a mid-range jumper, no basket, defensive rebound. 4 minutes in this first period. Atake sa baseline, turn around shot, basket by jersey number 1. Ngayon, Team Youth. Sa 24. Switch back sa 8.
Nice pass, boy.
Transition of play on the left side.
Nice pass, boy. Nice pass.
Connects 3 points.
Ganun lang,
3
boy.
minutes and 30 in this first period. 7-3. Nakita sa line. Intercepted ang pasa. Bad pass. It's a 3-2 situation. A full layup. No basket. Defensive rebound. For Team Mark. Ngayon, a pull-up. Basket. Mid-range jumper. Basket number 1. Connects 2 points. 11-17. 3 minutes in this first period. Jersey number 5, pasa on the left side wing, switch back sa 5, on the right side wing, transition of play, switch back sa 5, penetrate, engaging, nakita ang 0 doon, atake sa baseline, and draws a foul. Foul. Jersey number 13. Substitution. 2 minutes and 46 seconds in this first period. Thrower.
Gago, small boy kayo, Pat. Ano ko kayo? Sinong Gab Terry? Ayun na, nagpapabalik.
Basket, first throw. Second throw. One out of 2. Backs out yan for Team Mark. 18 yan. Asay. Nake.
Huwag kang sumundot!
Maras ka agad ng depensa pass sa 24. Na inward pass. Pull up. No basket. offensive rebound pa rin. Mid-range jumper, shot again. Out pa rin yan for Team Mark. On the right side, wing shot, aim for 3. Defensive rebound for Team Luke. 2 minutes and 18 in this first period. On the right side wing, no basket, aim for 3. Started Team Mark, jersey number 6, not there. Crossover move, all pinaptas lang, catch and shoot, and draws a foul.
Sab lang. Sab. Nice ball, boy.
First throw. Basket count. Second throw. It's a 2 for 2 in the free throw area. 13-19 and 13-18. 2 minutes. On the left side, yung inward pass sa baseline and deflected. Huh?
Tira, boy.
On the left side wing, short, aim for 3. Uy, steal ng 15. Nakita sa Lopos ang 18. Easy 2 points. 2013, 7-point lead for Team New. Atake ang 13. Double team yun. Atas ang 13. Pasa. Atake all the way. Basket off the glass. Connects 2 points off the glass.
18 yun, bobo. Oo. 18 yun. Nagkamali na.
Atake ngayon. Atake 24 on the right side wing. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. For Team Mark. Isa pasa sa 13. Drive through sa baseline. Connects 2 points. 17-20. 3-point lead for Team U. Naharas ka agad ang 5. Pasa. On the right side yung switch back sa 5. Engaging, penetrate sa 18. Naipit. All the way to the hook. Connects 2 points.
Nice pass, Gab.
45 seconds in this first
Eh,
period.
boy, uno ka dyan.
On the right side wing. On the corner side. Ooh, deflected. 39 seconds remaining time in this first period. Uy! Hindi galing sa baka, nilakad mo eh. Nilakad mo yung bola eh. Hindi naman galing sa basket yun eh. Inbound violation, turnover. Hindi mo pwede ilakad yun.
Outside yan.
Oo. Violation kasi yun. Atake 24. Oy! Nag-shuffle yung pass. Traveling violation. 32 seconds. Turnover for Team Mark. 30 seconds. A pull-up mid-range jumper. No basket. Defensive rebound for Team Youth. Atake 15. Crossover move. Pasa lang sa 24. Drop pass. Using the glass. Connects 2 points. Dying seconds in this first period. 15 seconds. Penetrate 13. Pasa sa 24. Teardrop, no basket. Ilang bola, nakakuha na sa East. Dying seconds, 5. Off the ring. Pull up. End of the first period.
Ganun lang, ganun lang.
Mainit. Ang puwet.
Ganun lang, play. Wala naman change pipe yan eh. Walang change pipe yan.
Walang mandatory, di ba? Walang mandatory.
Kelvin in.
Hey, back to the ball game. Second period. Next araw possession natin for Team Youth. Next araw possession, Team Youth. Ngayon, second period, jersey number 24, scouting the floor. Inward pa sa big man. No, turnaround shot. Defensive rebound for Team Youth, atake 23. Dinrapas na sa baseline, denied. Rock.
Nice try, nice try.
Shot clock down to 19. Shot clock down to 19. In the corner side of the ring. Shoot. Started Team Mark. A pull-up, mid-range jumper, in and out. Defensive rebound for Team Youth. Pass break na yan. Catch and shoot, no basket. Defensive rebound for Team Mark. Pass break naman sa unod. Nagitaw.
Nice one, Jake.
Bad pass, intercepted dyan. Inward pass, catch and shoot, no basket. Tapik ang bola for Team Mark. Pass break sa 13. On the left side wing, connects 3 points. 24-20. 4-point lead for Team Youth. 9 minutes in this first half. Switch back sa 5 on top of the key. Connects 3 points off the glass.
Okay, di yung lusutan. May board din yan.
Ngayon, Team Mark, crossover move ang uno, naipit. On the left side wing, connects 3 points by jersey number 13. 23-27.
Bruce,
8
palitan mo na
minutes
yun.
and 35 in this first half. Atake ngayon.
Boy, yung tres ah.
T-drop, a scoop shot, no basket. Offensive rebound pa rin. Another attempt, short. Another offensive rebound. Another attempt, denied. Another attempt, short. Another attempt, short. On the side, air ball. Backs out na yan for Team Mark. Pass break sa 24. Nakita ang 12. All the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. Time out, Team Youth. 8 minutes and 5 in this first half.
Mamadali. May kakawasan pa yun. Kakawasan pa yun. Sige lang, sige lang.
Back to the ball game.
Bruce, palitan mo si 8 mamaya. Para may pahinga.
Two-point lead for Team Youth. Jersey number 5 receiving the ball for Team Youth. Bababa ng bola. Setting up the play, scouting the floor, engaging. A pull-up. Off the ring, defensive rebound. For Team Mark by jersey number 1. Atake nga, double teaming, nakapinit. Crossover move, no basket, defensive rebound. For Team Youth. Atake 23, pasa sa 24. On the right side, wing! Connects 3 points. 25-30. Naharas ang presence for Team Mark. Shot lock 14. Asa east. On the left side wing. Short in for 2. Backs out pa rin ang uno. Penetrate. And draws sa foul.
Gab. Sumabit ka. Wala mo. Ayun, babalik. Babalik ka. Gab. Huwag na. Mamaya na.
Basket, first throw. May sasab dito, may laro sasab daw dito. Substitution. 2-4-2 on the free throw area. 27-30. 3-point lead for Team Youth. Balang pa, switch back sa nag-inbound ng pasa. Pasa on the right side wing. Shot lock. 10. Na inward pass. Denied sa baseline yan. Block. Atake sa east. For Team Mark. Pasa on top of the key. Connects 3 points. Deadlock score 30 all. 6 minutes and 45 seconds in this first half. Plus 73. On the right side wing of the ring. Wala yung box out pa rin yan. Atake sa baseline. Drop pa sa 24. On the charity lane, no basket. Offensive rebound pa rin ng 18. For Team Youth, kick out on the 3-point area on the right side wing of the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Mark. A pull-up, mid-range jumper, no basket. Binalik sa uno, binomba. Pass sa 13. On the left side wing of the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Youth. Atake 5 all the way and denied.
Okay, tres emoji.
Kawasaki, ay kasama mo, kargado. Hindi, kumpiyansa.
Awas ng shirt mo.
Bumalik ka, paulit panalo.
Ano yan? Aim for 3 of the ring, overshoot. Turnover for Team Mark. Atake sa east, pasa sa 12. Inatake baseline, no basket.
Geji, diretso.
Pasa. Dinra pass on the side. Deny, pero may foul.
Pasok mo, Eddie. Ano coach nila? Ako. Si Bruce. Playing coach yan, Jaworski. Bruce. Tenorio.
Basket count, first throw. Second throw. It's a 2 for 2. 32-30. 2-point lead for Team Youth. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. And this first pasa sa low post. Oh, hesitation move. Turnover. Robbery violation. Atake ulit ang 5 niyan. Pasa na layup. Connects 2 points. It's 2-0 run by Team Youth. 5 minutes and 15 in this first half. Atake 13 and draw sa foul. Aking foul by jersey number 5. Sideline throw in for Team Mark. Atake agad sa baseline ng 13. Pasa sa uno, penetrates uno. Takes and pop and draws a foul.
Dalawa na yun, Gab. Dalawa na yun. Gab. Diyan, saban mo nga. Lumas in.
Basket. First throw. Second throw. 5 minutes and 6.
Ayoko makinig.
First up.
Tara na, sub.
Substitution. 32-34. One more possession advantage for Team Youth. Started Team Youth.
Screen, Bruce.
Shot lock. Down to 12. On the corner side. Air ball. Atake Team Mark. Layup. No basket. Sayang ang crossover niya. Atake ngayon 5. Penetrate. And draw sa foul.
Ganun, Gab, ganun. Dalawa na yun, pre. Joy, Kuya Jay.
Wow ha. Basket. First throw.
Dalawa na yun yung Joy, Kuya Jay.
Second throw. Basket again. 2 for 2. 36-32.
Ganyan lang, Gab.
Two ball possession advantage for Team Youth. 4 minutes and 30 seconds in this first half. Inward pass. Pasa, kick out. Aim for three on the left side wing of the ring. In and out. Turnover.
Technical.
Turnover yan for Team Youth. Atake kagad 5. Pasa sa 7.
Kawasaki, Cargado, Wanutay.
4 minutes and 10. In this first half. Inward pass sa 13. Penetrate 13. Side step. And throws a foul. Time out. Team Mark. Time out kayo, sir eh.
Nagulat din ako eh. Nagulat tayo. Wala pa, bawal yun.
Game dito.
Okay, back to the ball game. First throw.
Dion ilalim.
Basket. Second throw. Basket again, 2 for 2. 34-38. In favor of Team Youth. Nagbaba ng bola, jersey number 5, scouting the floor, setting up the play. Pasa in the corner. Nakita sa low post yan. Traveling violation. Turnover. Substitution.
Tap.
3 minutes and 45 in this first half. Discarded Team Mark. Jersey number 13. Pasa sa 13, 73. Wala kita sa low post yun. No basket. Offensive rebound pa rin yan. Shot lock. Down to 10. On top of the key. In and out. Offensive rebound, a pull up, no basket again, another offensive rebound. 14 mark. Shot lock, down to 5. Shot lock, counting down. On the right side wing of the ring, good. Started Team Youth, defensive rebound for Team Youth.
Kaliwa na, kaliwa!
3 minutes in this first half, atake 5, pasa, on the... Nakita sa low post, fakes and pop. Basket by jersey number 18. Atake 13. Drive through all the way. Pinakita. Loose ball outbound. Turnover. 2 minutes and 40. In this first half. Pinamig sa 5 ang bola. Guard, pasa, on the right side wing of the ring, outbound. Crossover move all the way to the hoop and draws a foul. Foul.
Tatlo na.
Basket, first throw.
Ayun yung sinasabi ko, ay mga ikikot.
Second throw. Basket again, 2 for 2. 2 minutes and 15 in this first half.
Alam niya.
Pass up, atake 0. And through. Foul? Jersey number 1.
Down.
Foul. Steal ang inbound. Atake na yan ang uno all the way to the hoop and blow sa foul. Jersey number 18. Basket, first row. 2 minutes and 1 in this first half. Second row, basket again.
Dion, sub.
2 for 2.
Marali. Dion.
2 minutes
Balda mo
in
sigap.
the remaining time in this first half. On the left side, yung inward pass. Atake kagad. Tear up, no basket. Defensive rebound. Pass break sa east. Deflected.
Sub.
A minute and 43. Same ball possession.
Dion, balikan mo si Sab. David. Sub.
Time out. Team Mark.
Mainig kasi kayo sa akin. Gabo, tatlo na si Gab.
Ano na si Bruce?
Gab, tatlo muna. Gabo, hirap. Dalawa ka lang.
Pag nawala ka dyan, sumawala ka dyan.
Okay, lumay nangyari. AD, kaya mo pa ba? Buhatin mo muna sa ilalim. Wala eh. All trouble mga big man mo eh. Wala pang foul doon o si Adrian? Wala ka pang foul, D.
Hey. Ayun, game ball na.
Game.
Back to the ball team. Sa uno. Perimeter shot, basket. Deadlock ang score. 40 all. A minute and 35 seconds in this first half. Deadlock ang score, 40 all. As jersey number 8. Switch back sa 8. On the left side wing, transition of play. No basket, aim for 3. Defensive rebound. Pull up, basket. And Team Mark grabs the lead. 2-point lead for Team Mark. A minute and 5 in this first half. Line violation, turnover. A minute and 3.
Hey!
Bakit na yan? Judge number 15, penetrate, crossover move, all tambol. Come before the ball, steal.
Diretso na, boy!
Pass break. Binalik sa 24, layup,
Nice,
basket
boy.
count, 2 points, another deadlock, 42 all. 45 seconds remaining time in this first half. On top of the key of the ring, defensive rebound.
Go!
Pasa na kagad. 35 seconds remaining time in this first half. Pasa. On the left side wing of the ring, defensive rebound. 14 Mark, atake sa easy, naharap. All the way to the hoop. Coast to coast, connects 2 points. And Mark breaks the tie, 44-42. Aim for 3 of the ring.
Nice ball!
Offensive rebound pa, another aim for 3 of the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Mark. Dying seconds, 5 seconds. Asa on the right side wing. Connects 3 points. Come. And the first shot.
Sinisigaw namin, Ward, last shot.
Baka narinig na lang shot. Yun, siya tuloy.
Last shot, dalawang shot tinira. Jay, 25. Meron na kay Kelvin. Kelvin yan. Bruce. Ngayon kalahati mo.
Half time na?
Those are halftime break.
Oh, mythical 5.
Na-complete mo na agad. Ang bilis ah. Computer ah. Computer ang utak ah.
Okay, mag-word ka na. Ako mag-game ay. Hindi mo lang naman. Kasi mythical 5 lang.
Uy, basahin pa.
Ay, sorry po, sorry. Dito na lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Isa na yung chat mo lahat na may award mo na. Punta na lang after game. Ay, fourth quarter na lang. Para ready na.
Pansin mo? Hindi na nagpipicture yun lang. Busy sa ano yun. Nagkikitis lang. Pagpasok mo kay Elijah, mintisin muna, rebound niya. O, pinag-rebound ni Elijah.
tayo mamaya. Critical 5.
Kakas ako.
Yes, sir.
8, second half, third period. Jersey number 8 receiving the ball for Team Youth. So on the left side wing, and jersey number 0 penetrates the baseline. No basket. Offensive rebound for Team Youth. Another chance for conversion. Take 23. Picks and pop. Connects 2 points off the glass. Connects 2 points. 47-44. Number 73 scouting the floor. Pass on the left side wing. Take ang 13. Hinaharas.
Nice D.
73 on top of the key. Connects 3 points. 50-44 in favor of Team Mark. Jersey number 8 is scouting the floor. Inward pass. Diretso hinaras. Steal. Complete steal. O, pasa lang sa 12. Layup. No basket. Defensive rebound. For Team Youth. Atake 18. Also all the way to the hoop. No basket. Defensive rebound. For Team Mark. Atake jersey number 6. Nasser. Hinaharas. Crossover rebound. Pasa sa 13. Steal ng 18. Atake 7. All the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. Layup. At ngayon, ang Team Mark. Jersey number 73. Scouting the floor. Pasa on the left side wing. On the corner side. Inward pass sa 12. Kick out. Shot clock counting down. Perimeter shot. Basket. 2 points. Basket count. 8 minutes and 15 in this third period. All the way coast to coast. Connects 2 points.
Harap, harap, harap!
Si number 25. Pasa on the left side wing. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 55-48. 7-point lead for Team Mark. Atake jersey number 0. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Backboard.
Hindi, okay lang, okay lang.
Asa na? Aim for 3. Short. Defensive rebound for Team Youth.
Sabihan, sabihan, sabihan.
7 minutes and 25 in this third period. Number 8, Pasa. Jersey number 0. Pumipik. Sa pull up. Perimeter shot. No basket. Offensive rebound. Follow-up shot. A put back. Basket yan. Team Youth. 7 minutes and 5. Jersey number 6 on top of the key. Connects 3 points. 58-50. 6 minutes and 50 seconds in this third period. Number 0. Lead. Engaging. Pasa, switch back sa 8. Aim for 3.
Nice one!
3 points.
Yun ang headphones.
53. Jersey number 6, orchestrating the play, setting up the play for Team Mark. Switch back sa 6. Pasa lang. Shot clock counting down. Atake sa baseline. Denied. Backs out yan for Team Youth. Pass. Penetrate. Layup. Short. Substitution, substitution. Number 25. Nababalang bola for Team Mark. Pasa. Penetrate. Layup. Basket sa baseline. Atake. Connects 2 points. 5 minutes and 50 in this third period. Started Team Youth, jersey number 5. Discarded, pasa, 8. Aim for 3 on the left side wing, no basket. Defensive rebound, Team Mark, atake 13. All the way to the hoop. hoop, no basket. Defensive rebound. Pinut. Ngayon, Jersey number 0. Pasa sa low post. Dinalik sa 0. Connects 2 points.
Time out pa.
55-60.
Nice one, Jay.
Steal. 2-on-2. Atake 8. Layup. Short. Offensive rebound pa rin niya. 40 minutes. Naipit ang 5. Short again. Offensive rebound. 5 minutes. Dinrap pa sa 12. Penetrate. Naipit. Binalik. 73. Shot clock 14.
Get up lang.
Shot lock down to 10. Atake 13. Pass on the corner side. Short aim for 3. Defensive rebound. 14 minutes pass break. 8. Denied. Atake 12 ang 40 mark. Penetrate all the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. Over move. 4 minutes and 25 in this third period. Atake Jersey number 0. Crossover move. Pinasa sa low post. Basket. Connects 2 points. Four minutes and 10 in this third period. Irit. Asa on the corner side. Short aim for 3. 4 minutes in this third period. Atake ngayon. Betis. Crossover move all the way to the hoop. No basket. Offensive rebound. Put back pa rin niya. The next 2 points. 3 minutes and 45 in this third period. Atake 13. Hinaharas. Asa sa 12. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 5. Atake sa East all the way and throws a foul. Basket count. Foul and a basket.
Who's fan rep? Daming rookie mistake.
Bonus shot. Walang bonus shot. Backs out yung 40 minutes. Asa. Jersey number 5. Asa on the right side wing. On the side, denied. A pull up. Atake 12. Coast to coast ang 12 all the way. No basket.
Dave, palitan mo na yun.
Offensive rebound, 40 minutes. Atake 5. Crossover move. And draws a foul.
Who's foul?
Sa East.
Time out.
A reaching foul.
Basket lang.
Palitan mo na yun, palitan mo na yun. Palitan mo na yun.
Sideline throw in, 14 mark, 3 minutes and 4 as 14 youth. Okay, on the right side wing of the ring, defensive rebound, 14 mark. Iba ng bola, Nasser. Jersey number 6, orchestrating the play. Inaharas pa sa inward pa sa 12, kick out. On the left side wing, short aim for 3. Defensive rebound for Team U. Pinasa. 5, penetrate sa baseline. Basket. 2 minutes and 35
Dave.
in this
Dave, time out.
third period. Ayan, it's 73.
Okay, gets ko na.
Ayan, 25. Ooh, pull up, catch and shoot, no basket. Offensive rebound, paalam shot, denied, and layup. All the way, layup, no basket. Ooh, put back pa rin niya, at keep in. 64-63, 1 point lead, team mark. 2 minutes in this third period. Asa, on the right side wing. Bad pass, steal. Betis, ball, layup, and throws a foul.
Pasa wala dyan. Puta, lakas mo. Sige mo pa, hindi ko pa basket pa.
Pasok mo dalawa.
Bias eh.
Best one job,
Basket,
kasama
first
mo
row,
mag-shoot
deadlock
yan.
score, 64 all.
Nakabomba.
A minute and 49.
Nanalo kami, libre ka sa
Third
akin.
period.
Matuwa!
It's a 2 for 2. And change favor. Team Youth leading by a point. A minute and 40. On the right side wing, atake 13. Penetrate ang 12. Of the ring, connects 2 points. Of the glass. At even score. 1 point lead for Team Mark. On the right side wing, airball, aim for 3. A minute and 20 in this third period. Sais. Atake 13, binalik sa Sais, penetrate sa baseline. Denied! Rejected. Atake ngayon ang 8. All the way to the hoop. No basket, defensive rebound. For Team Mark, atake 13. Iniwan sa corner side, binalik sa 24, penetrate na shaded area, looper, basket. Field drop, atake ngayon, pasa lang, open wide, ang 23, and throws the foul. Basket count. Foul basket. 49 seconds in this third period.
Ayaw niya ako.
Dave! Dahil ano yan, Paul, Dave Vincent niya, favorite ang
Basketball shot, deadlock na again. 68 all. 45 seconds in this third period.
Hindi, wala. Love ni Redick yun. Wala na yung
In the pass on Charity Lane, in and out, aim for 2. Pass break, deflected. Nakuha pa rin, nalitrip ng 0. Pasa sa 8, layup. No basket. A putback. Basket.
Sabi ko siya
2-point lead for Team Youth. Penetrate sa baseline. Kesa 12, nahipit. Side step layup and draws a foul.
Sabi siya
21 seconds remaining time in this third period.
Oo kaya si Kawasaki G. Kargado, 1-5.
Off the ring, first throw. Wala. Second throw.
Parinig ko sa camera para pag ni-replay.
Wala. Ang conversion sa free throw. Pass break sa 5 yan. Layup. Connects 2 points. Dying seconds in this third period. 10 seconds. Dying seconds in this third period.
Harang lang, harang!
Penetrate ang uno. Okay. A pull up. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. Dying seconds. Of the third period.
Lamang.
Nice, B. Parang sabi.
Ito trophy pre, huwag na all.
Hindi, gagawin niya. Mauuwi yan. I-picture lang.
Pwede ba uwi?
Correct.
Mabigat. Si ano gamitin mo? Si Gion, pre. Kasi,
Pangasin D. Parang Pangasin D, parang Sardi.
puro pass break yan. Puro steal yan. Legit.
Puro, ano.
Gion, tayo nga na. Hindi yun. Pa-stretching mga gago.
Lipit niyo kanina yung asin niya.
Oo, di ba? Yung mga steal yan. Pass break. Pinasay work.
Yung mataas yung IQ, parang. Hindi lang po NBI. Kaya nga nag-headphone, wala ka nakikita ng iba.
Ginatabaw ka ba ako dati lang? Ano ka naka-earphone?
Ha?
Pre, last quarter, pre. 10 minutes na lang, pre.
Una.
10 minutes na lang, pre. Dahil mong huli, oh.
Ilang points na ako?
7 lang, pero G's yung rebound, tapos 5 na ata supal mo eh.
Oh, tapos 5 babae.
Oo. Same.
Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes, final quarter.
Alam ko, liwangan pa sila nun eh. Hindi na ito natambak.
Last 10 minutes.
Kaya nag-Vincent talaga pa. Parang shit.
Si number 73 receiving the ball for Team Mark. Frustrating the play. Paasa sa uno. Dorowa. He can roll. Low basket. Air ball. Pass break. Focus from the down low. The next 2 points. Jersey number 5. 74-68. 6-point lead for
Okay,
Team
sikipan
Youth.
mo, Gab. Sikipan mo. Screen.
Atake 13, penetrate. To the hoop, no basket.
Okay, diba?
Defensive rebound for Team
Tatlo
Youth.
kayo.
Paasa lang sa Lopos. Binay si Zero.
Nice one.
Scoop shot, basket. Zero. It's 2-0
Harap,
round
harap, uy, harap.
by Team Youth. Pass on the corner side of the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Youth. Pass break sa 5. Deflected, almost a steal. Deflected, 5, didiskarte. Shot clock down to 10. Zero, penetrate. Oh. Shot clock counting down. On top of the key of the ring. Tapik ang bola for Team Mark.
Tap na daw, tap na daw.
Yan na, kargado.
Penetrate the shaded area. Drop pass lang sa baseline.
Oy,
No
nice
basket. Offensive rebound pa rin for Team Mark. Out. Turnover. Backcourt violation.
Gab, 8 minutes pa. 8 minutes pa.
Starting ang Team Youth. The left side wing. Air ball. Aim for 3. Atake ng 13. Coast to coast.
Okay lang, okay.
And draws a foul.
Isa lang, isa lang. Okay lang, isa pa lang. Isa pa lang yan.
Shooting yun.
Ball doon lang.
No basket. First row. Second row. Basket. 1 out of 2. 69-70.
Kunin mo na, kunin mo na, kunin mo na. Kunin mo na.
Ngayon, penetrate. Drop pa sa basket. No basket. Denied. Magic sa likod. Bakit ngayon? Ang Team Mark. Crossover mo bang uno? And traveling violation. Turnover.
Ganun lang, ganun lang.
Atake na yung 5. Layup. Nakuha pa yun.
Nice one!
Drop. Basket. Number 0. Kaya sa East. Hinaharas na si Nasser. Double teaming. Naipit. Pasa. On the left side wing of the ring. In for 3. Offensive rebound na uno. Turn around shot. Shoot. Another attempt. Wala pa rin. Tapik ang bola for Team Youth. Atake 5. Pasa lang. Penetrate. Draw sa foul.
Time out. Kailan pa time out nila?
Team Mark.
Ay, nung coach ka na, naka-coach yun na yun. Ito, assistant coach yun eh. Malot yung committee. Assistant. Ano ba yan? Yung kanina, yung... Ay, hindi.
Sa likod eh. Ikaw malawag issue mo nasa labas. Diba?
Mag-referee, ano,
Kung ano lang yung nakita. Mind game.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, 9 na yan!
Shot clock 14. Atake sa baseline ng 0. Hinaras steal by jersey number 6. Hinaharas sa 6 sa pull up. No
Nice,
basket. Offensive rebound. 12 na ipit sa baseline. Bilang sa 6. Pasa lang yan sa 73. Outbound. Na loose ball. Turnover.
Dave.
Jersey number 0. Pasa in the corner side. Penetrate ang 5. Shaded area. Drop pass lang sa big man. Oh, scrambling for the ball. Nasa 0 pa yan. Naipit sa baseline. On the left side wing of the ring. Defensive rebound. For Team Mark. Pass back sa 13. Layup of the glass. Connects 2 points. 6 minutes and 25 in this final quarter. Shot clock down to 14. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock counting down. Takay 5, pull up,
Tumunod mo yun, oh! Sige, Gab, depensa, bawi!
Turnover yan, loose ball, outbound.
Harap!
Asa on the left side,
Lalim.
kita sa low position. No basket. Offensive rebound pa rin na ng 12 na ipit. Shot clock counting down. Atake 13. Sa 12. And for 3. Connects 3 points.
Tama.
3 points ang sabi na ngayon. Foul. Nasa Menya si ano eh. Isa. 5 minutes and 35. Pasa. Deflected. Shot lock down to 11. Right side wing. Pasa. Penetrate sa baseline. Layup. Connects 2 points. Five minutes and 10 in this final quarter. Aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound. For Team Mark. Atake ngayon sa East. Crossover move. All the way. Layup. Basket.
Time out.
78-81. 3-point lead.
Basket, great basket.
Commute. 4 minutes and 40. Nasa switch back sa 5. Shot clock winding down. Shot lock. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound for Team Mark. Attacking jersey number 6. Goes to pinasa sa 13. Layup. Wala. Wala pa rin ang follow-up shot. Another attempt. Wala pa rin. Another attempt. Basket. Timeout. Timeout. Team Youth. 4 minutes and 18.
G, ganun lang. Pencil lang. Pencil lang, pencil lang. Ayun na, G-set in. Ay, dyan, par. Hindi, sige, yamo. Game G. Babawi yan, babawi.
To the ball game.
Babawi yan, babawi.
4 minutes. 4 minutes and 18 seconds.
Magic mo.
In this final quarter.
Yung pinakikita nga yan.
Banang bola, jersey number 5 for Team Youth. Scouting the floor. Setting up the play. For Team Youth. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock 10. Takay po yung 23. Engaging. Naharas. Ang ulap ng 18. No basket. Wala pa rin. Defensive rebound. For Team Mark. 3 minutes and 15 this final quarter attack. Ngayon, ang 13 hinaharas. Pasa. Dinrap pa sa big man sa 12. Connects 2 points. And Team Mark grabs the lead. Change favor. 1 point lead for Team Mark. 3 minutes and 13 this final quarter. Shot clock down to 12. Penetrate 23. Nakita sa baseline. Steal. Ang 12. For Team Mark. Pasa sa 6. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Offensive rebound ng 12. Yan sa 13. Shot lock 10. Attacking ngayon ang uno. Layup. Connects 2 points. Off the glass. 3 minutes in this final quarter. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock down to 10. On the corner side, the next 3 points. Jetlock score 84. 2 minutes and 40 in this final quarter. Deadlock ang official score. On the left side wing, atake, pull up, perimeter shot, no basket. Defensive rebound. Outnumbered ang defensor on. 2 points. And 2-point lead for Team Youth.
Harap.
84.
Kulang sila, harap.
86 yun, sir eh.
86 yan eh.
Ooh, stepping on the line. Turnover. Line violation.
Pundido.
Atake jersey number 5. Last 2 minutes. Ooh, traveling violation. Turnover. Sa 13. Irit. Pasa. On the left. Right side wing in. No basket. Backs out. Nakuha na sa east. On the left side wing. Short aim for 3. Outbound.
Isa lang.
Outbound. A minute and 42.
One basket.
1 minute and 42 in this final quarter. An even score. 84-85.
Malabo na matamas na yun.
84-86. 2-point lead for Team Youth. Shot lock. Counting down on top of the key. Aim for three. No basket. Off the ring. A minute and 20. Pasa sa 13. Hinaray. Steal. Jersey number 5. All the way. Basket. Steal in the basket. 88 yan. Naharasan sa East. 1 minute.
Harap!
Shot clock, counting down. Foul. 55 seconds.
Jake, apat ka na, Jake. Dave. Apat na yun, apat ka na.
Shot clock, reset to 14. Pasa sa Lobos. On the corner side. In and out. Wala, follow-up shot. Defensive rebound. For Team Youth. Foul.
Elijah, apat.
47 seconds.
Ja. Kasama, Rep. Bola pa nilo.
Ito isa oh. Rep!
Bola.
47 seconds remaining time. Foul. 73. 45 seconds.
Hindi na talaga tatawag.
Foul. Warning for penalty na ba?
Awit si Bruce.
Bago meron yan, pre.
Penalty situation.
Dos.
Team Mark in penalty situation. 43 seconds. In this final quarter. Second row. 43 seconds. Time out.
Ano yung 14? George, 14 ano?
Yun.
Wala na sila timeout kayo, may isa pa.
Tama na score.
Tama na. May timeout pa kayo isa.
Oh, Dave. May isa
Shot clock 14. 43 seconds remaining time. In this final quarter. Shot clock 14.
Doon lumayo eh.
Aim for three. Bounce in. Connects 3 points.
Bawi.
87-90. 40 seconds. Foul. Penalty.
Kuya di kasi yan, pre. Shooter pala yan. Hoy!
Okay, bawi Gab.
Isa lang.
Bawi Gab.
Isa lang. Nice one, boy.
1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. 39 seconds.
Trap.
Atake uno, pasa on the left side, wing. Bounce out. Nakuha pa another attempt sa ilalim. Basket, 2 points. $30 seconds. Foul. 31 seconds. 31 seconds.
Apat na yan, apat na. Oo, apat yan na. Oo, apat na nga. Oo nga.
Basket, first throw. Second throw.
No foul ah, no foul ah.
1 out of 2. Atake 13. Pasa. Aim for 3. Off the ring.
Kuha, gago. Siman.
Atake 6. Return. Pasa sa 6. Foul. 20 seconds.
Tama lang. Good foul. Oh, good foul.
20 seconds. Sideline throw in for Team Mark.
Ano, pati kalat eh. Oh, kalat.
Pasa sa 1. Aim for 3. Short. Outbound. 15 seconds. Time out. Team U. 15.8 seconds.
Wala na. Ba't kayo time out? Oo, gago.
Parang may nangyari na.
Oo, sali dalawa.
Nakasteal, tapos nakasteal.
Kaya nga. May coach siya. Apat niya kaya, may.
Lahat tayo apat. Ginawa niya yan.
Oo nga, ako yun. Ako talaga yun. Minuto ko lang.
Ano yan, 14-24? Dave, 14?
Dave 14? 14 yun na gago. Maagaw pa yun eh. Dalawa.
I-shot lang mo na hindi mo na-reset.
Maagaw pa yun gago.
Foul!
Call out. Nakalusot si Idol.
15 seconds.
Piso lang Bruce.
Kaya kids.
Isa lang, kahit isa lang.
Basket. Dying seconds. Atake 1. All the way.
Nice one!
Defensive rebound. Dying seconds. 5, 6 seconds. Foul out there.
Gab, dalawa. Nice!
Basket. First row. Second row. One out of 2. Dying seconds.
Uy!
Foul. Three 3.5 seconds.
Hindi pre, ang ano ko lang. Hindi, kaya...
4-point play! 4-point play!
No foul!
The ball game. And Team U buys the championship. Game. Wins the game.